to Vending Life. Today we are looking at a Nayax card reader where the screen have gone completely black and seems burned out. Before we dive into this repair, please remember this. This video is created for entertainment purpose. I'm not a professional and work with electric carries risk. Any work you choose to do on your own equipment is entirely at your own risk. Next, I'm opening up the back panel to get access to the communication board. This board included protective fuse that route current straight to the ground if there is a power issue. In my experience, when the compressor in the vending machine switch on and off, it could cause voltage spikes. Next, I'm securing the circuit board into a board holder. This make it much easier to keep the board stable. Here I'm measuring the continuity on the power line. As you can see, there is a direct short to ground. This confirms that the fuse is blown. In this scene, I'm showing the location of the fuse. This is a varistor. It's crucial to choose the correct component value here. If you use the wrong size, it might trigger too early or fail to protect the circuit board. Since the space is too tight for a soldering iron, I'm using a hot air station. To protect the surrounding air components from heat damage, I am taping off the area with Kapton tape. Now I apply some solder pasta and solder the new component in place using a hot air station. After soldering, it is important to check that the joint is soldered and use a multimeter to verify good connection. Now I'm reassembling the board back into the housing. Let us see if the repair work and if we can get the terminal power back on. Next, I connecting the terminal to the test station. Having a setup like this is really nice because you do not need to plug it directly into a vending machine for testing it. As you can see, the screen turned right on and the Nayax logo shows up. To make sure there are no abnormal voltage spike, I'm checking the voltage level on the terminal. The card reader is fully functional again and ready to go back into service. That is all for today repair on Vending Life. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.